Hello everyone, I hope everybody is making progress with their Bell's palsy and facial paralysis. So today I want to go over how to work on improving raising your eyebrows and moving your eyebrow. This is a question that was asked in my Facebook group, the Bell's Palsy Solution, and that came second in what people have the most problem with after when they're still recovering from Bell's palsy or after dealing with Bell's palsy for quite a while. So one thing that you should know, so raising your eyebrows is your occipitofrontalis. It's this big muscle that covers this whole area there. So the first thing, generally, when people have a lot of tightness in that area, and the tightness can be pretty much anywhere on the forehead. Very often it can be also by the hairline here, and also being felt on the scalp when trying to raise this. So massaging this whole area would be great. What you would want to do, what I like to do and start with, is start on the side of the eye and then just massaging in this direction, and spending a good amount of time with this, especially doing this right before you attempt to work on raising your eyebrows there. And you can also hold the stretch for 30 seconds. I won't hold it for that long here, but just do this for 30 seconds is optimal there. And make sure you don't put too much pressure too when you massage. I mean, there's no need to really, it's really thin. There's really not that much meat there to work on. So just very gently, just going in this direction. Then trying to raise your eyebrow. What you want to look at is, so you'll see on your good side, you have those wrinkles. Well, some people do, most people do. And when you first start, when you have that full paralysis, generally you won't see any wrinkles here. So as you're going to progress and see more and more motion, you'll see that those wrinkles kind of progressing from the inside toward the outside further and further. And that's a good sign that there is more activity in that muscle. So trying to raise your eyebrow, what I would do is just helping with your hand like this. And make sure that even if the slower you go, the better, of course. There we go. And at first, if you don't feel any type of motion, you're not seeing any mobility, it's okay. You might be feeling it, and that's great. Also, if you start feeling more and more twitching in your forehead, that's not a bad sign. That means there's some nerve conduction happening there. So this is what I would try to do. And of course, there's some other technique and other thing to look at the face. If, for example, you have other part of your face that could be affecting how this muscle work, but I can't give you an individualized treatment for that. But this is kind of the way I would work on your forehead. So massage, stretch, and then actively move it slowly with control. If that is not enough, you can try to add some heat before you massage. That helps bring some blood flow, and that might be helpful. And if just by itself that is not enough, I would also massage around your eye and in this area here, as well as here, but I'll go into more details with this. So give this a try and see if you can raise your eyebrows. Have a good week, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.